In this video we're going to continue to look at solving equations, this time with brackets in. So the way that we're going to approach this is this 2 on the outside here is multiplying everything on the inside. So it's being multiplied by the x, and 2 times x gives me 2x. And it's also being multiplied by the 5, and 2 times positive 5 gives me positive 10. So my bracket is now fully expanded to give me 2x plus 10. What this hasn't done is change anything over on this side where there wasn't a bracket to begin with, so 2x plus 10 equals to 18. This is now a two-step equation like the ones you would have encountered in Solving Equations video 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to undo the plus 10 by subtracting 10 from both sides, and that's going to give me 2x equals to 8. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 2, giving me x equals 4. And that's my final answer. In this example, take care. Watch how I approach this one. First of all, it's 3 times x, just as before, which gives me 3x. Now, it's not 3 times 4. You need to think of this as being one whole number. So instead of 3 times 4, this is 3 times negative 4, which gives me a value negative 12. So I write that like this: 3x take away 12. And again, just like before, that's equal to 9. Now, like before, this is now a two-step equation, so I'm going to solve it by adding 12 to both sides, giving me 3x equals 9 add 12 is 21. And then my final step is to divide both sides by 3, undoing the multiply 3 on this side, giving me x equals 21 divided by 3, which is 7. Here are 4 to have a go at yourselves. Be very careful when there's a negative sign involved. Remember my second example. Pause the video here, hit play when you're ready for me to talk you through some answers. Okay, so what we're going to do on this first one is we're going to expand the bracket to give me 3x plus 12 equals 18. Then I'm going to start to solve this one. 3x is equal to 6, x itself is equal to 2. You'll notice on this example I've moved away from adding on those arrows each time because I'm getting better at solving these equations, so I don't necessarily need them. In this second example, 5 times x is 5x, 5 times 3 is 15, and that's equal to 45. I'm going to subtract the 15 from both sides, giving me 30, and then divide both sides by 5, giving me x equals 6. In this example, I'm going to expand my bracket, give me 6x, take away, be careful, 24 equals 30. My next step is to add 24 to both sides, giving me 6x equals 54. And then finally to divide both sides by 6, giving me x equals 9. Okay, and on to my final example, I'm going to do 2 times x, which is 2x, and 2 times that negative 4, giving me a negative 8, is equal to 26. Then I'm going to add 8 to both sides, leaving me with 2x equals 34. Final step to divide both sides by 2, giving me x equals 17. And I underline my final answer. Well done if you got all 4 of those correct. Consider moving on to solving equations number 4. We're ready to.